Iranian singer Parasto Ahmadi and 8 members of her production team, including several musicians, have reportedly been sentenced to 74 lashes after a concert live stream on Ahmadi's YouTube channel in 2024. According to court documents, a criminal court in Iran's Qom province handed down the punishment alongside a 2-year ban on leaving the country and a 2-year prohibition on engaging in artistic activities. The artists were charged with offending public decency through the production and publication of content authorities described as vulgar and immoral online. The case stems from live stream performance in December 2024 when the 29-year-old singer appeared without a hijab and performed the patriotic. The performance quickly went viral, drawing millions of views on YouTube and sparking widespread debate both inside and outside Iran. Shortly after the video was released, Ahmadi and several musicians involved in the production were briefly detained before being released. Authorities later filed a formal case against the artist over the publication of the performance. Bahar Gandhari, Director of Advocacy at the US-based Center for Human Rights in Iran, condemned the ruling, saying that the sentence Ahmadi to 74 lashes for singing and appearing without a hijab demonstrates that human rights conditions in Iran remain deeply concerning, despite efforts by authorities to project a more moderate image intentionally. She argued that the punishment exposes the growing gap between the government's public messaging and the reality experienced by artists, women and cultural figures within the country. For many Iranian artists, the verdict, while shocking, is not entirely unexpected. Instead, it has intensified fears of an expanding crackdown on cultural expression and personal freedoms, of course. At its core, this is no longer just a story about one singer or one live stream. It is a reflection of a system that continues to treat art individually and personal choice as a threat to be controlled. When a government responds to a song without lashes, travel bans and professional blacklisting, it reveals not strength but insecurity. A truly confident society does not fear its artists. It listens to them.